guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beth once again. So I have just finished doing a video of what is inside my NeoNoe in the Rose Freesia. Right now I am going to do another video. This time I am doing a what fits inside my NeoNoe. I know there's been a lot of people who did already the what fits inside my bag. But this time, I am doing a what fits inside my bag just based on the stuff that I was bringing with me when we were on our trip to the Philippines. So you guys can have an idea of what other possible stuff that you can actually fit inside of this bag. So let us go right ahead on the stuff that I was able to fit inside. So to start off, let us start with an empty bag. I have actually filled the middle compartment, which is the one with the zipper, with the stuff that I actually have been using. For the most part, I was only putting stuff inside of the zipper compartment that I want easily accessible. So let me show you guys the ones that I put in. A pack of mint, blotting paper with mirror, because in case I need the mirror right away, I put it in there. I put a lip balm. I put a couple of pieces of those tiny perfume samples. I put a pack of tissue. I also put a bunch of these wipes and these liners inside of here just in case I need it right away. So yeah, that's basically what I put inside the middle compartment. So let us go right ahead and start putting inside this bag. So when I traveled from the airport going to the Philippines, I actually did use this one as my travel bag, and I was pleasantly surprised how amazing it was at fitting a lot of stuff. So I have my cosmetic pouch. For the longest time, I wasn't using this Michael Kors one that I got. This would be 2 years this year, and I just did use this one for the first time in our trip, and it does fit inside here. So I put it in here. It fits perfectly in there. So the next one that I brought with me was this one. This is the Fuji Insta-X Mini. I put it in this pouch since I didn't want to scratch the inside of my bag. I actually made this one off of one of the kimonos that I bought, which was really long. So I ended up taking probably a foot off of the bottom part of that kimono, and I made it into this pouch for my Insta-X mini camera. So I put it in there like so and cinch this in and put it inside my bag. I actually put this one in the back part and towards the side. I brought my mini pochette with me and this one, the personal stuff. So what I did was, before I put the cosmetic pouch, I actually laid this one flat in the bottom of the bag, since I would only be using that one for emergency. I laid it flat there, and after that I put in this one on top of that pouch. So the pouch is actually in the bottom of the bag underneath the cosmetic pouch. So that saves me a lot of room. And then my mini pochette. I put my mini pochette right next to my Insta-X mini camera. And then, of course, my two key pouch. One I'm using as earbuds holder. So what I do is, there's actually room right next to the cosmetic pouch. So I am going to put this on the side right there. And it fits perfectly standing like that. I'm also gonna put my AirPods right next to it. So that is perfect. So next is a box. I thought about what am I gonna do with the film right after using my Insta-X mini camera. So I ended up finding a box that could fit my pictures inside. So here it is. It fits all the pictures that I have. So I decided to bring this with me all the time. So let us put it in here right next to the mini pochette. So far that is how it looks. So now let's go ahead to my smaller essentials. My fan, my hand sanitizer, my sunglass case, my gum, and my disinfectant wipes. So let us go ahead and put it one by one so you guys can see it. I am going to put that on the side so it can stand up. There's still a lot of room. And my sunglass case, I can just easily put that on top there. And my hand sanitizer, I usually just let it stand over here as well so I can see it and just pull it out when I need it. And the gum, I can just easily stick it in here too. This one also still has room right next to the cosmetic pouch, so I can just put that in there. So this was how I packed it for the airport, leaving for our trip to the Philippines. I forgot the wallet that I was using the entire time in the Philippines. So with wallets, I am very particular. I really don't like bringing cash with me. I just want to bring my debit card, my credit card, and just swipe it every time I need it. So in the Philippines is actually a different story. I can use my US cards, but I didn't want to unless I need to. I like to use cash when we are there, so I have to actually have my Michael Kors Continental wallet. It's huge, it is big, so I didn't want to use that this time. Before we left, I actually bought with me a wallet. This one I got from Forever 21. It is pretty reasonably sized, so if I have like a bunch of cash with me folded up, I can actually fit in there. I think at some point I fit like tens of thousands inside of this one, and it was perfect. I was able to fit it. So this was the one that I used. I actually like it too because it's almost like a reddish Freesia-ish color, so I love that. So let me put it in here too. It still fits standing up. With the phone, I brought my 7 Plus and my 8 Plus. I was bringing 2 phones all the time because I love the quality of the pictures and the videos with the 8 Plus. And I was using my 7 Plus as my main phone while we were in the Philippines because this one is actually unlocked already. Look at that Philippine flag Apple sticker that we got. It looks so cute. So I just put it in there together with the other one, and there is still room. So let me show you guys the bag cinch. So that is how it looked. The bag, it is pretty heavy already, and that is how it looks in there. You still have room to spare in here. So yeah, that's that. So when we were in our tours and in our other trips, the ones that I didn't bring with me all the time was the cosmetic pouch. I just left this at home, and also my key pouch. I usually just bring one, which is the earphone, and leave this one at home, or if we know that I'm gonna use my ID cards, I would bring this with me, but I usually just leave that. And also my Insta-X Mini and the box for the film. When we're traveling, when we're doing our city tours and stuff, I bring with me a purse, either this one or another purse that I have, and a canvas tote. So I usually just put this two inside my canvas tote so it doesn't stay with me inside my bag. So now there is so much room inside the bag. As you can see, there's nothing here. There's nothing on this side as well. So what do I usually bring with me during these city tours and during the time that we're just traveling and sightseeing and stuff like that? So these two are the ones that I usually bring with me. My selfie stick and my DJI Osmo gimbal. So I put this in like that inside my bag. So it's gonna look like that. So you can't even see it. It's not even peeking out. So there is the gimbal inside my bag. There's still a lot of room in here. As you can see, it's very squishy in here because this part is empty. So either I bring both the gimbal and the selfie stick. This can go on the other side in here, and my gimbal, and they just fit perfectly. They tend to get a little heavy because of the gimbal and the two phones and whatnot, but it is okay because these straps are really comfy. They are very comfy. They get really heavy, but it doesn't hurt me as much as when I'm using my Neverfull. That's what fits inside my bag, you guys. I have my selfie stick here and I have my gimbal, and I can actually still fit my water in there. Let me show you that you can fit the selfie stick, the gimbal, and the water inside with no problem. Let me cinch this up, and there it is. It is really heavy, you guys. It's very heavy, but it fits. That's why I really, really, really love this bag. You can either wear it for like a date night, or you can use it as a travel bag. I'm really, really amazed at what this bag can fit. Sometime in the next couple of weeks, I might very well do a first impression and wear and tear video on this bag, so I can give you what I think about this bag. So yeah, that was it, guys. That is what fits inside my NeoNoe in the Rose Freesia. I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions on what else fits inside this bag, feel free to ask in the comments down below, and I will try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!